In this video, I'm going to show you how you can style your Josephine head wrap in a rosette style, just like this. Place the wrap on your head, making sure that the scrunchy part is in the center. Then you take the wings of your wrap and you pull the fabric down this way. And I pull it up front and forward like this. And I do a really tight squeeze. And the wires here should be already crossed. And then you take one and you continue to twist it around in one direction, and you take the other one and you twist it around in the other direction. Tuck in the corners at the back, and now you push it back even so you can see your hairline. And there you go. That's your Josephine Wired Head Wrap styled in the Rosette Knot.